Good afternoon. Thought I'd show you what we're working on today is a 94 Yukon or Blazer. And so just with the 2 doors, not 4. And so the quarter panel's got a little longer piece to it, not a little dog leg. And what I'm doing is taking the quarter or the rockers off and patching the quarters on the bottom. And I wanted to show you real quick the tricks for taking this rocker panel off a little quicker. And what they are is when you go to drill your spot welds out, you want to make a pilot hole. So you use a little 1/8" bit. You don't have to go clear through. Just go just a little bit. I'm not talking down very far because what we have on our spot weld cutter, this is spring-loaded point. And by making that pilot hole, this won't walk around. So then it's real simple. Put a little pressure down, go slow. And you can make a nice spot weld cut that way without fighting it. And then instead of trying to do all your spot welds on the bottom, just cut her out with a chisel. This inner part's way heavier and this is usually rotten anyway, so it'll just cut off. And to access this simpler, don't mess around, don't try to take it in a piece. Cut it in half. Cut that piece out of there. Now you can get to both sides. You can walk right down that piece there, just peel that right off. Same way with the top. You got the spot welds cut. And voila, we got her out just that easy. So this is what we're working on, and I'll go ahead and show you the other side. And yeah, you got to take it all apart so you can work around on these rockers. You got to take the fenders, doors, all that off. And here's the ones we got these fitted in, welded up nice. It'll take just a tab of filler. That's butt welded. Just fit those rockers up, take your time. This is underlapped. The bottom piece is underneath the top. And so just a little finish work and we'll get them done, but I thought I'd show you what we're doing. And somebody says, can you do the rockers and the quarters? I said, sure, but it'll take a while. Have a nice day.